Hello everyone. Uh, Today I will show you how to import the AutoCAD drawing into E3D. Normally we lay out the drawing, we lay out equipment in the AutoCAD. So from the layout drawing, we can import to the E3D with the iDesign mode. So first of all, we need to generate the attribute of the AutoCAD drawing into the neutral file. So from the neutral file, we using the PDMS to import to build the iDesign element into the E3D. So first, I need to extract the drawing into the text file first. So I using the macro that I created already. So we select the macro and open. Next, then select macro, say work and say yes. So now here we can select the 2 or 3 drawing if sub to you. We can select 1, 2, 3. Depend on the capacity of the tool. We can generate how much drawing, how many drawing. So here the drawing we default the name drawing in here is the same. So we just next and say next, next, and say next, and then we generate the, 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 the file as a text file. So I put in the C folder and then finish. So now in E3D we in E3D we need to build this drawing in the E3D. So with the iDesign mode, we can draw the line, arc, and center line. The circle. In additional, we can add the text. So here we can draw add the text for notes of the drawing. So we call the tool. So now from here, this is a tool to import the AutoCAD drawing. So first we need to browser to select the file. You see we have the put here and then say OK. And here we have 2 files, but the 2 files is 2 drawing different. You can generate both of them. It's okay. But for in this example, I just select only one drawing, the layout drawing. Here we can generate drawing by loading the drawing. And here we have the simplify level. So sometimes we have some the element is very small. We not need to build in the eyeline in the E3D. So we can select the 0.5 and then 1 or 1.5 or 2, 2 or 3 or 5, something like that. That means for example, the line we have the length of light below the 5 millimeter, the enoch. So that means they will not build the line with the length below the 5 millimeters. So here I put the 0.5. Yeah. and we select here and load drawing. So it will take some time, so around the 2 or 3 minutes, depend on the how much how big your drawing. Okay, so now the drawing is come out already. So here is the drawing we build in the E3D with the eye line. So for each element, we have the eye arc, yeah, and here we also have the text, yeah, eye text. So from here we can easy to put the equipment. From here we can measure. It's up to you if you want to measure. For example, measure from here to here, yeah. In additional, we save work and we we remove, yeah, and then we can add, yeah. So from here we can easy to put the equipment. For example, you want to put the tank here, yeah. So we have the circle here, yeah. See, yeah. Thank you for your watching.